Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to watch Netflix on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just go on your store and open it. And go in the search bar and type Netflix and install it. And after you guys have Netflix, all you have to do is just go on your library right here and click it. And where you can see this Netflix. Sorry guys, I can't show you the Netflix because of the privacy issue, but I will teach you how. Just select the profile you would like to watch it from, and after opening the profile, just select the movie and play it. From there, you will be watching the movie on your Netflix account. So guys, that's how you watch Netflix on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.